The Feast of Trumpets, called Yom Teruah in Hebrew, simply means the day of loud noises. The priest would sound a shofar to usher in this holiday. We read in Exodus 19, as God arrived at Mount Sinai to reveal himself to Israel, there was a very loud blast of the trumpet, Teruah, that grew louder and louder as God came down to the mountain in clouds of glory. And in the Gospel of Matthew chapter 24, we read that there will also be a great trumpet sound to usher in our Messiah as he comes on the clouds of glory and power, his feet touching down on the Mount of Olives.